What you will actually be seeing in this particular video is beautiful, classy, and stylish cornrow braid hairstyle that will make you to look beautiful and stand out as a beautiful lady, as a woman that you are. So tell me if you'll be trying out any of them. Before I forgot, let me introduce myself to my new viewers, to my new babies, people that are just coming across the channel for the first time. Hey, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where I make videos about beauty, hairstyle, fashion, and other interesting contents and video. Please hit on the subscribe button. I think I love this particular 6 jumbo size stitch braid hairstyle. It is so beautiful and perfect. The way the edges was laid is one thing that I need to learn, because I love seeing a hair or baby hair, or should I say edges being laid beautifully, being laid the right way. Look at this particular one too. This is also a beautiful cornrow hairstyle. And one thing about all this cornrow hairstyle that you're seeing in this video is you can actually make it on a budget, because it won't consume hair extension that much. With one pack of hair extension, you'll be able to achieve this beautiful cornrow hairstyle transformation that you're seeing on the screen. Isn't that a good idea? That is also good. And again, if you were unable to find maybe the hairstyle that you love in this particular video, don't worry, because I have so many others amazing braid hairstyle in this channel that I'm sure that you guys will love so much. Try it out and thank me later. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. That is your own way of supporting us. And do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, I mean, is just like. My returning viewers and subscribers, you guys' support and love has actually kept me going. I thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. Look at this particular cornrow hairstyle. Should I call it one side star cornrow hairstyle? Please don't mind me. Don't mind the name that I'm giving the cornrow hairstyles. It's just what I think it should be called due to the design and the styles of the braid. I think this particular one has bead at the tip anyway, and the hairstylist that did it actually did a good job. Thanks for watching.